Tell me about a time when you failed and how did you handle this situation? This is a very common interview question which is asked by most interviewers. A big hello everyone, this is Nishu Tripathi. I'm a recruitment specialist and mentor. Let me give you a tips on how you could exactly answer this question. What are the points you should keep in mind before you answer this question? And what exactly is the interviewer looking at when he wants you to answer this question? The interviewer here wants to see two important things. The first and foremost, whether you are accountable for your mistakes and that you are upfront about it. The second thing, he wants to see whether you've actually learned from the situation and try to improve upon the same mistake that you made. Now, while trying to answer this question, try to answer in a clear and a concise format. Don't give such a long story that it completely takes the concentration of the interviewer away. Try to answer in a format wherein you talk about a situation, what exactly went wrong, but what you learned from the situation and how you are now in future going to use this experience towards betterment. One more thing. Sounding humble when giving an answer to this question will always give you a bonus point. Now, let me give you a few pointers on what you should keep in mind. These are the type of things you should not do when you're trying to answer this question. First and foremost, if you think you made a mistake and this was repetitive in nature, please do not give this example. Because here you're trying to show that in spite of doing a mistake, you have repeated this again and again and probably not learned from the experience. The second thing, if your mistake caused the company a massive loss, I would definitely refrain from talking about this during the interview. Now let's take an example of how you could answer this question. I was doing a project with one of our largest clients of the company, and when they asked me for a timeline, I mentioned that I would be able to complete the project in 2 weeks. Eventually, it actually took me 3 weeks to complete the project. I realized that this was a mistake at my end and that I should have given them a more realistic estimate. I realized that clients look at completion in the time that we give them, and they're not really looking at somebody who cannot complete in the timeline that is confirmed to them. Hence, using this experience, I made sure that in future projects, I gave a timeline of a week extra. In my next immediate project, I gave the client a 4-week time deadline, whereas we actually completed the project in 3 weeks. And I realized how a client is even more happier when we give the project well in advance to them. In this example, we actually showed the interviewer how we dealt with a mistake that we made in the past. We learned from the experience and used it for betterment of our performance. I hope that you like the tips that I have given you for this particular answer. Once again, this is Nishu Tripathi. I'm a recruitment specialist and mentor. I will keep posting such videos and I would love to hear from you. If you like my video, do give me a thumbs up, do subscribe to my channel. And I wish you all a very good day. Take care.